We click the plugs icon on the top left to create a folder and name it Simulation Quality to track air quality devices. Confirm that, and then, with Simulation Quality selected, click the plus again to create a variable and name it Temperature. This simulates air temperature data. Next, choose Random for value types. Set a minimum value at 23 and a max value at 25. There you have it, a simulated temperature sensor cracking out real-time data. Next, we do the same thing to add a humidity sensor. Okay, with this sensor ready, it's time for Telegraf to step in and send this data to CnosDB. Let's open the Telegraf config file. Name is the table's name. Endpoint is the simulator's TCP address. Nodes are the two objects for temperature and humidity. In the output's HTTP section, set up the CnosDB details. We start the Telegraf, give it a few seconds to start, and then you can see that the CnosDB console on the right. You also see a new table named Air Quality filling up with data from our sensors. Here, we wrap up our session today. And just to let you know, CnosDB Cloud is on live now, so feel free to join us for a free trial at CnosDB Cloud, or just hop right into our Discord group to chat more about it. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you next time.